up, Craft Kids?
Today we're going to be drawing
Dinosaurs!
That's right, we're going to be drawing some beginner level, it's going to be a beginner lesson on how to draw a dinosaur. We just drew the simplest kind, like the Brontosaurus, Brachiosaurus, long neck, long tail, big body. Grab the leaves from the top of the trees, that's what we're going to do. So you can see we're all standing here. Odin and I are going to draw, but we wanted to show you these hats real quick, these super cool Craft Kids TV hats. I'll tell you more about those later, but right now, Odin, do you want to get going?
Yeah.
All right, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we are going to draw a dino today.
Yep.
Yes, I think this is going to be so much fun. It's going to be like a Brachiosaurus sort of looking thing.
Brachiosaurus.
Yeah, like a Brontosaurus.
Brontosaurus.
Okay, it's gonna have a really long neck, a really long tail, and a really big body. These things are huge. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put the dino head up here. And it's gonna be like it's gonna be like the letter P. Not exactly how you'd write someone's name, letter P, but similar. Watch the shape here, okay? So the head's up here in the corner, and it curves around and comes down like that. Good job. Now I didn't curve mine up enough, so I'm gonna just curve it in there a little bit. That's the dino's chin, okay? Now we're gonna draw the other side of his neck, his really long neck, and it's gonna come all the way down here before it curves in. Watch this. It's gonna start to curve in, like that. Yes! All right, now we do the front leg, okay? This is a rectangle with rounded corners, but it just kind of tapers in just a little bit. So it's gonna look like that. Like it. The next leg is hidden in behind this leg, but you can still see part of it, so it looks like this. Good, Odie. I like that. Now, we're gonna draw the back into the tail. It's gonna curve all the way around, and it's gonna end somewhere down here by his front feet. It's gonna be like a backward C, all one motion. You ready? See if we can get this right, Odin. Oh, I think it's pretty good. I like it. It's taking up most of the page, isn't it? Yeah, okay, watch this. Now we're gonna draw his back legs, which are just a little bit bigger than the front legs. Oh, you got me. Okay, so we're gonna put the back legs here, and then we'll connect with the belly afterwards. So the first, only the leg in the foreground we're gonna draw first. Okay, this one's gonna be a little bigger. It's gonna go like this. It's gonna round off across, and then it's gonna go back up, just like that. Okay, it's a little bigger than that. Now we can do the belly. Okay, so imagine this line coming through. Okay, imagine it coming through. It's gonna connect one side of the belly to the other side of the belly. Oh, these are so good. I love them. Now, to connect the tail, okay? The tail's gonna come to a point, but up in here, we need to have the tail not look too skinny. It needs to be pretty wide tail, because dinosaurs are big. So what I like to do is pretend the belly comes through just a hair, and then I make a fold line, okay? And then I bring this around as close as I can, and I even extend that a little bit more if I need to, which I did need to, as the dinosaur's tail is long, pointy. Nice job, Odie. I really like that. Do you like it? Do you want to make it pointy? Yeah, he can have a black tip on his tail. Good job. So we'll have, I'll put a little black tip on my tail too, okay? That's cool. Remember, dinosaurs, scientists could find their fossils and they could know like how big they were, but it was really hard for scientists to tell what their skin looked like. So we can make the skin any kind we want. Okay. That's right, we can make a black tip if we want. Okay, we're gonna show the other hind leg, which again is hidden, but you can see a little bit of it. And it's gonna look like that. All right, cool. So we are now ready to put a face on this guy, all right? So he's gonna get an oval. Let's be careful with our oval, okay? Don't make your oval too big, but you wanna make it pretty good size. Okay? Good job. Oh, Odin already did the front part of the eye, or the pupil of the eye, which makes the dinosaur look like he's looking that way. Now we can't see the other eye because it's on this side of his face, but what we can see is the two nostrils. We're gonna put one here, and the other one is gonna be just slightly higher, and it's gonna touch the black right there, okay? So you can see both nostrils. Oh, good job. Now we have just enough room to put in a smile. This is his chin, so he needs a smile. Happy dinosaur. Okay? Now the last thing before we do our magic trick is we're gonna put in some spots. Oh, no, that's not the last thing we're gonna do. We have to do his toenails. So he gets 3 bumps on each upside down U's. 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, 3. And then on the legs in the back, you can't see a full 3. So you just do a partial and then a full. And then a really partial and then a full. Okay? So now we have to do we're imagining his skin having, it's scaly skin, but we're imagining it having some dots, like polka dots almost, that are lighter in color. So it's just gonna be random dots. We're gonna make some big dots, some little dots, some dots that are halfway showing, some dots that are medium size, and we're just gonna kind of try to have just have a little bit of fun with it. So I think that's probably enough for me. And you can do as many or as few as you want. Oh, I like how many you're doing. That looks cool. Then we're gonna do his belly. His belly's gonna have a little color on it. A little bit lighter than the rest of the dino. No one was around to take pictures of dinosaurs because man wasn't living at that time. So we can find fossils and we can find what their skeletons look like, but it's hard to tell what their skin looked like. So it's kind of a guess. And so we guess that our dinosaurs look just like this. That's pretty cool, Odie. So now we are ready for our magic trick. So what we decided is we're both going to snap. Ready? We're both gonna snap over the picture. Double snaps. Ready? Like this, and then it's gonna be colored, thickened, everything's gonna look beautiful. Ready? 1, 2, 3. It worked, Odin! Look! How cool!
Yay!
What a cool bunch of dinos.
Yeah.
Dinosaurs! Oh, these dinosaurs came out super cool. Did you have a good time, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah. They were super fun to do. Hopefully you drew along. Yeah, this was a beginner lesson dinosaur, and we kind of just did it how we thought a dinosaur might look. All right? So, just wanted to make another mention of the hats. These hats we bought.
Peekaboo.
We ordered these for a recent trip to Disney World. We wanted to walk around the parks with the hats, promote our channel, but they didn't come in time. So now we have these super cool hats that we're just going to pretty much wear everywhere.
Yeah.
Right, guys?
Yeah.
So we really like them. They came out cool. If you can't see the logo, it's CKTV, Crab Kids TV.
Package to
It doubles for our other channel,
Crazy
Kids! Crazy Kids TV. And of course, we have Odin's Annex too, but these hats work for the 2 channels, CKTV. So, with that being said, until we see you next time, keep drawing, stay awesome, bye!